We are playing the game Kingdomino with Nicholas, who's 6 years old, and now we're trying to count the final score. So go ahead, Nicholas, let's count it.
So for sand, I have 1 times 3, 3.
Okay, 3 points for sand. What's next?
Forest, I have 0 forest.
No forest. What's next?
Water. I have water, but no crowns on it, and crowns are times.
Yeah, so it would be, for this one, 1 times 0, which is?
0.
Good.
And 1 times 0, 0.
Great.
So it's 0. For grass, I have 3 times. I have 3 times 9 is 25.
Let's do, so it's 3 groups of 9 or 9 groups of 3? How do we figure it out?
9 groups of 3.
Okay, so it's
27.
27. How'd you come up with that?
So we count by 9s, 9, 18, 27.
Good. So there's 3 crowns and 9 tiles, so 3 groups of 9 is 27. Which one is next?
The brown stuff.
Okay.
I have 5 times 6 is 30.
Oh, how'd you figure out 5 times 6 was 30?
Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crowns, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So you do 5 times 6.
And how'd you know 5 times 6 was 30?
Because I count the crowns and then I count the pieces.
Okay. Great. And then the last one? And the last one, we don't have any of the dark colored ones. So that's a 0. So 30 there. And then a 0, and you get 5-point bonus for having
This in the middle.
yeah. And so now we have to add up the score.
Okay, so I have 65.
How'd you come up with 65? Can you tell me the math that you did to figure it out?
So I have 3. So I have 30, and I have 5. 35, and 3 plus 7 is 30. So 35 plus 30 is 65.
Nice job, 65 points. Playing Kingdomino.